I've been wanting to try a mocha pot for a while, so I finally got one. It makes about 2 cups of espresso. I read the instructions, and apparently you're supposed to run it with just water first and then brew coffee 3 times after that. It's just for cleaning though, so you're not supposed to drink it. I watched a bunch of tutorials, so I thought it would be easy, but this one doesn't fit my stove. I did not see that coming. I found the grill rack. Let's see if it works. I don't think the water's boiling yet. Nice. The water's starting to come up into the pot. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, I think I was too late to close the lid. Thank God it's just water. I ran it with water twice, and now it's time to run coffee through it. Using the grill rack actually works pretty well. This is the first run with coffee. Okay, 2 more to go. Right after filming this, I ordered a triple burner support. It feels like I've been cleaning this forever. The next day, the burner support finally arrived. Let's make some espresso. Oh, it holds my mocha pot really well. That's nice. I'm gonna use lower heat because I don't want it exploding everywhere. It's not boiling yet. I still don't know when I'm supposed to close the lid. I think it takes a while to heat up. Oh no, it exploded. I literally looked away for a second. How did that even happen? The coffee smells really good though. Let's try it. Wow, it's really clean and smooth. It's weaker than espresso from a machine, but stronger than drip coffee. That's actually really interesting. It's a really nice way to enjoy coffee. This is the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.